Hi YouTube family, this is MB in the classroom. So what I'm showing here is how I was able to install or put on the waist trainer. So the waist trainer looks like this after it is done. So it has these buttons that you can put into either 1, 2, or 3 areas. So, and it really gives your back the support. It has the support in the back, so you're able to, and you still have room in it. So it gives you support if you're sitting in front of the computer for a long time. It gives you support in the back, and it does help you to trim down your waistline. So I just wanted to let you guys know how it looks. And wearing my t-shirt and be in the classroom, so there I can show you guys what it looks like. Okay, until next time, thank you for watching. Bye.